Midjourney Style Tuner. With this feature, you can create your own style parameters to personalize the appearance of your Midjourney image. Let's see how. First, we need to generate a style tuner page. To do that, type -tune and then in the prompt field, explain what kind of image you want like this. Then hit enter. Here you can choose how many style directions you want to generate. It's basically how many images you will create with your prompt in the style tuner. You can change it from 16 to 128. The higher the number, the higher the cost of GPU hours. I recommend set it to 64. And then you can select RAW mode if you want. I keep it as default. Then click the submit button and confirm your submission. And then it will take around 2 minutes to generate a style tuner. When the style tuner is ready, you will get a message with the link to the style tuner page. Go to that link. This is the style tuner page. Those are the rows of image pairs, each representing a distinct visual direction for your prompt. Click on the image grid you prefer in each pair. If you don't feel strongly about either image, leave the empty middle box selected. If you want to choose single image instead of choosing an image grid, go to the beginning of the page and select this option. Now you can choose single image. This way is more effective. Now select image with the style you want like this. After selecting, the style tuner generated a unique style code according to your chosen image. With this code, we can create images with a similar style. Let's see how. Copy the style code. Then go to Discord and paste the style code after your prompt like this. Then generate. You can see the generated image similar to the style of the image we selected in the style tuner. You can generate different style codes by changing selected image in the style tuner. Go to style tuner and click the reset button to clear your earlier selections. Then select the image or images you like. After selecting, you can see the new code has been generated. Let's generate images with this code. Copy the new style code. Then go to Discord. And let's remake this image with the new style. Click the rerun button and clear the earlier style code. And paste the new one. Then submit. You can see the newly generated image with the new style code, similar to the style of the image we selected in the style tuner. You can generate different style codes using the same style tuner by selecting different image combinations. Do some experiment with it and you will find cool styles. Let me tell you another cool thing. We can combine styles and generate fantastic images. Let's see how. First, I type a prompt. Then I add this image style code that I generated before as the first style code. Copy it and paste it after the prompt like this. Then I want to combine this image style with the style of the first image. So I copy this style code and then come to the prompt box, type dash at the end of the first style code. Then paste the second style code like this. Then generate. You can see the image generated with our new cool style by combining the two styles. Now, let's see how to use generated styles consistently. You can copy and paste the style code at the end of the prompt. But it's annoying to copy and paste the same style code again and again. To avoid this, we can set the preferred option for the styles we like. Let's see how. Type dash and select the preferred option set command. Then in the option field, type a name for the style. And then click plus one more here. Then the option value will be here. Click that. Then copy the style code you like and paste it in the value field like this. Now hit enter. Let's see how to use it. Type a prompt as usual. Then type dash dash the name you give in the option field. I type 90s film. Then hit enter. You can see the images are generated with the style that I saved before. You can use this option to generate image with the style you like consistently without copy and paste long style codes. You can use this style option with other parameters as well. Let's try it. I type prompt, and after the prompt I add the style option that is set before like this. And after it I add some other parameters. Then generate. Wow, cool! Let's see how to find a style tuner page using any style code. First, copy the style code that you want to find relevant style tuner. Then open your web browser and type tuner.midjourney.com/code/. Then paste the style code like this. Then hit enter. Then you can see the style tuner page relevant to this style code. And now you can select new image and generate new style codes from the same style tuner. If you want to know about this kind of information, I suggest you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.